This is where we go swimming. We jump in the water, and it's pretty deep. We get to wear life jackets. Jump in.
Cenote facilities, changing room, showers, everything. After the red wall, tequila tasting, second lobby where the guy with blue shirt, and there is a place to rent the life jacket.
Wow! Look at that. What do you think? Are you gonna jump into that?
No, I'm gonna get in there, but I'm not gonna jump.
Look at this beautiful. There's beautiful scenery here. Look at this.
It doesn't smell so nice, but it's beautiful.
Look at that. It's just absolutely stunning.
The Mayans believed that cenotes were gateways to the afterlife, so they threw valuable items and sacrifices into them. Cenotes are now mostly tourist attractions and are a great way to cool down in the humid, hot climate. As the cenotes can be hundreds of feet deep, caution should be used and life jackets are a necessity.
Let's go.
Thanks, guys. Susan and I in one of these safety life jackets. We don't drown in there. Anyway, it's gonna be pretty cool. Of course, I'm going in my skivvies, my underwear. I just got some. I'm just wearing my boxer shorts. Here, girls here wear thongs, so it doesn't really matter if I wear my camouflage underwear. So they kind of blend in. Anyway, so then anyway, there's Susan. And it's gonna give her a life vest. Then we're gonna go in. Ready, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm ready.
You're ready, so let's go. One life vest?
Okay. Like this?
Yes. For my wife.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Ready to jump in the water? It's
I'm
cool.
ready to
We've been
get
sweating so
cooled
bad
down.
on this trip. It's so humid. We're not ready for this, but Susan's just gonna go in her skirt. Go here, son.
As there are few rivers and even fewer lakes in the area, cenotes were often the only source of water for the Mayans, and their cities were often formed around them.
Just beautiful, absolutely stunning. This is inside of a cave. It's absolutely awesome, so stunning, beautiful. This is like a one in a lifetime chance. Oh my goodness, it's fantastic, just absolutely beautiful. Really deep, I guess. Super slippery right in here. Walking down. We're inside the cenote. It's pretty cool. It's actually pretty warm.
It's cool.
It's
But
cool.
It's nice.
It's not as warm as a hotel, but it's pretty nice.
It's very nice.
And the jump wasn't that high, but I'm kind of afraid of heights sometimes.
I didn't
It
want
took
to
me a
get off
second.
the step. I didn't want to go off the
Took me a
step.
second to jump off, but it's pretty amazing here. So it looks like from inside the cenote. Look at that. It's actually stunning and beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, it's for inside a circle. See that? Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Looks like rays of heaven. Give me your kits, honey.
Yeah. They're right here. Under this thing. That's fine.
Cenotes are sinkholes created when the bedrock collapses and creates access to groundwater. Some cenotes have exposed underground cave systems, and some are very, very small. But overall, there are over 60,000 cenotes in the Yucatan Peninsula.